Okay, you need to make a presenter or something. Can you share your screen? Hello.
Vishal, can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Oh, Vishal, you there?
Vishal is off. Vishal is offline.
Yeah, I think so.
Come back.
So the Windows operating system to download it costs money?
No. It is free.
Rushi, just Google 7 ISO 5.
Yeah. So is Vishal online? Still offline.
I think it's still offline.
Okay.
He said he was reconnecting in the WhatsApp.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Hello?
Yeah, he's back.
He's here.
Yeah. So Vishal, can you share your screen?
Yeah, can you give me the access?
1 second.
Yeah, can you make me presenter?
Yeah. Done.
Can you see my screen now? Hello?
No.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
No.
It's grayed out. I can't be, it's not letting me be presenter.
It says you are the presenter right now. Karthik, it's you the presenter.
Okay. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So I'll just share my screen itself. Don't have to worry. I opened my Kali newer version. So this will work. Can you see the screen? Just
Yeah, I
have
can
to
see the screen.
Yeah, we can see.
192.168.36.30.
Oh, I think Vishal disconnected again. I think
Oh,
there's only two people in here.
I'm right here.
He got disconnected again.
No, I'm right here.
Okay. Let's see if this works. Okay, so Vishal, as it is working for you, you just say nmap and the IP address
On where? On Kali or Windows?
on Kali, on Kali.
So nmap. What do I say?
Yeah, nmap and the IP address of your Windows machine.
Okay, 192.168.1. It says starting nmap 720.1.0.
Yeah, it will do its job once.
Yeah, it said done. Scanned all the ports on my thing.
Okay, it's done.
Yeah, there's 4 ports open.
Okay, so can you share your 1 second? I'm making you a presenter.
Give me 1 second. I'm on my laptop. That's why, so I have to switch to my desktop.
Okay.
So, 1 second.
There should be one more guy, I guess, right? Vishal, Sufyan, Rashi, and one more guy.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
why
I
I was
think he might have
left.
just DC'd or something.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. You got your access.
Okay, can you see my screen now?
Done. 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 Got it.
Okay, here. This is what it says.
Yeah. Can everyone see this?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah. Here he performed the scanning and he got his open ports of a system. Yesterday we saw open ports of a website. Now we are seeing open ports of a system. The process is same. So if we have open ports, then we can exploit the system too, right? So you can install Windows 7 or Windows Server 2000 or 2003 and try exploiting, try finding open ports. Okay, so exploitation phase we'll be seeing it later on in Metasploit framework. So our next classes will be about your website hacking, cross-site scripting, SQL injection, etc. So tomorrow it will be about that, and your presentation we'll do it on Monday, not tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll finish off with website hacking. In website hacking, we'll finish off cross-site scripting, and from Monday we'll be having your presentation, and from Tuesday we'll be starting continuing the further website hacking. Okay,
Oh.
so anyone have any? Did everyone get till here? Did you try doing this nmap on your system IP?
I
No.
wasn't able to run through it. I stopped download.
I think this can only work if I have another Windows OS, right? So I'm downloading the Windows OS at the moment. I tried to do the
You can do it for your own laptop. You don't need another
yeah,
OS.
I tried to do from my current Windows to Kali, and I kept saying from the host is unreachable. The destination host is unreachable.
If
And
you need to be connected to same network, as I told you, the third digit should be same. That
So
triple
here's the third digit.
connected to
What's
same
the,
network. Yeah.
what's the IP address of this Kali Linux? The Kali Linux.
Of this is 10.0.2.115.
Okay, so then my computer IP address is
This
different, right?
is iNet IP address. Yeah. So what is your computer's IP address?
This.
Yeah, but you are connected to same Wi-Fi, same Wi-Fi router. You are not splitting your, you're not splitting your network. You're connected to same network. If you're connected to bridge, that means you're connected to same network. That it is replicating your physical IP address, physical network. Whereas if you're connected to NAT, that means that you are creating your own network. So as you are replicating your own physical network, you are able to scan it. If you are not replicating your own physical network, you won't be able to scan it.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, this is it. So make sure that you do your presentation on these topics. So if you do, you guys have any more questions, any more queries?
Yeah, I do. So I
Yeah.
sent you the email. I don't know if I got added to the PowerPoint slides and stuff, so I can use it to create the PowerPoints. I did took notes, but I still wanted to take a look at the slides again.
You want to look at the slides? Okay. So
Yeah,
I'll
actually,
be
Google Drive.
okay. We'll do one thing. Can you open Send Anywhere website?
Wait, what did you say?
Yeah. Send Anywhere. A website called Send Anywhere. In your Chrome, open Send Anywhere.
Okay.
Okay, 1 second. I'll upload this.
Can you put all those in the Google Drive? It'll be easier for all of us to access.
You want me to put it in only Google Drive? If you want, I can just give it to you. You can just download it right away.
Right,
Just like
we all have a Google Drive, right? That someone shared.
okay, you
Put it in. It's easier for all of us to access.
okay then. I'll do that. I'll do that.
Okay.
Yeah, Rishi's asking if he has access to Google Drive. That's what he's asking. The folder.
I'll send it to organizer. He'll be putting
Yeah.
it drive and sharing it with you. Is that fine?
Yeah, just put it in the Drive. Yeah, that'll be easier.
Okay, done.
Yeah, that's what I was asking. I said because I was like, you told me to make it, so I made a new one. So I was wondering if I ever got it.
Okay. So it's like, your own research would be better. If you see my research, if you see my presentation, then without you knowing, you're putting it in same order. That is why I'm not, suggesting you to see my PPT. After you doing it, if I send it, that would be better. Before you doing it, if I send it, then automatically you will be preparing the same slides again. So that is the issue out there.
Okay. All right, I got it. I guess then that's fine.
Okay, so you want me to share or you want to do it on yourself and share it later?
I'll
Just
do
put
it
it on
myself.
Google Drive so we can take notes.
Okay, sure. Then I'll just share it to the organizer. He'll be sharing it with you. Right?
Yeah, I mean, I'll create my slides based on what I know, but I still wanted to look at it after I'm
Sure,
done.
definitely. Then I'll share it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day. Good night.
You
Good
too.
night.